Welcome again, folks, on the job in relation to giving you an understanding of gutter cleaning at height. So we're just over the 6 metre mark. We have the Skyvac Interceptor here, portable gutter vacuum system, the elite carbon fibre poles, and we're just going to run you through, and you'll be able to see through the tool ends and what we actually do in relation to how we go about cleaning it, whether it's residential or commercial. It's all the same. We're in a remote location, so if you can't get into and access, this portable Honda driven system is the system for you. Hope you enjoy the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.